I'm gonna be cleaning out Minnie's cage. But we already wiped her cage out. Now I'm just gonna add the bedding. Just in case you guys want to know where I got this bedding, I got it from a pet store called Pet Sense. You can get it from any pet store and they have it in different colors. And the brand is Katie. Now I'm going to add my hamster and I'm going to put my things in there. If you have a bin cage like me and you don't know how to put your water bottle on the side, all you need is Velcro strips. And now I'm going to add it in her bin. Now that I have all her toys and snacks, now I just need to go clean her wheel. A few weeks ago, I ordered these swings. There's a banana one and a wooden swing. The banana one is originally a bed, but she also just swings in it. Guys, that's how I clean out my hamster's bin and reorganize it. Hope you